Failure is overcome by those who refuse to be defeated by failure. At Meenakshi Mission Hospital, we take heart from the timeless wisdom of the Tirukkural, and we are winning the battle against the coronavirus pandemic with courage and resolve. To safely bring you the much-needed medical care, we are continuously innovating and upgrading our technology. Presenting Meenakshi Mission Hospital's 6-stage Ultra Safety Program. We have adopted global practices that some of the world's best hospitals are using to fight COVID-19. Our objective is to go beyond safety to make our hospitals ultra safe for our patients and staff. The first of our 6-stage Ultra Safety Program is Smart Security. Our vigilant security personnel are equipped with smart infrared AI helmets for contactless body temperature checks of visitors. This allows us to identify potential coronavirus carriers. Smart Fever Clinic. Here we make sure that every patient or visitor is wearing a mask, and we provide masks to those who aren't wearing them. We then check their body temperature once again through thermal infrared guns. The patient is examined thoroughly by the doctor on duty before being allowed inside the hospital. The patient and their attendant are asked to sanitize their hands and are then provided with identity tags. This ensures that only people who are screened are present in the hospital. Smart Thermal Surveillance Camera. This checks everyone's temperature around the clock, so we can immediately spot anyone running a high temperature, in case of which they are immediately escorted for an emergency checkup. Advanced COVID-19 testing equipment. We are a hospital recognized by the government of Tamil Nadu, equipped with 3 different advanced technologies for COVID-19 testing: RT-PCR, TruNAAT and CB NAAT. And we are the only hospital in the state with these 3 technologies. Safety Robo. They say the virus is everywhere, but then so is our Safety Robo. It is on the move 24/7, spraying disinfectant and sterilizing every nook and corner of the hospital. Server Robo. This carries meals to patients efficiently, quickly, and helps minimize contact between humans. This also helps increase safety for both staff and patients. Besides these best practices and technologies from around the world, we also employ indigenous techniques and safety devices developed by our own experts. Bluetooth Stethoscope, TABT, Tanjavur Air Barrier Technique. We have our own solution for the country's persisting mask shortage problem. We are the only hospital in India with an in-house N95 mask manufacturing facility. We have put department-specific safety precautions and procedures into place for the protection of every single staff member of the hospital. For over 30 years, we have been bringing world-class medical care to every class of society. During these difficult times, we are continuing our efforts to be the first and the best in our campaign to keep everyone safe. India's safest hospital. 6-stage Ultra Safety Program from Meenakshi Mission Hospital. Always first, always best.